We spent a lot of time talking about beliefs. We've spent a lot of time giving you tools to be able to deal with beliefs and concepts that may be there. And now it's time to get down and create a plan. Okay? And to be able to create that plan, we're going to all have to shift into our steel energy. Remember we said that we all have all of the geniuses? So where are the blazes in the group? So raise your hand if you're a blaze. And the dynamos, raise your hand. Okay, and the tempos. Okay, tempos, it'll probably be easier for you. But we all have all of these. And as you read the Millionaire Master Plan, Roger's book, you'll see that it's important to spend at least some time on each of them. You know, if you're going to be able to create wealth, if you're going to be able to be of real service, if you're going to be able to move forward and make progress. And so we're going to spend a little bit of time on the steel energy, no matter what our genius is. And the goal that we're aiming for is to identify what's the level of financial abundance we believe and feel that we can achieve in the coming year. If things went well, and you were able to create outcomes that you would feel were fulfilling and supporting you, then what do you believe that you could create? But we're not going to start there, okay? Because if you want to start a trip and you want to figure out where you're going, where do you think you need to begin? Yeah, you have to see, where am I right now? Where am I right now? And so this evening you're going to work on Lesson 22. Okay? And Lesson 22 is essentially a worksheet for making an assessment of your current financial situation. And we're not going to ask you to share this with anyone, by the way. So, but you're going to, and in this group, this is page 67. You're going to go through and put down what's your monthly income, what are your monthly expenses. You're going to turn to the next page and fill in any additional. You're going to go through, what are my assets? Does everyone know what an asset is? A financial asset? Anyone not? Okay. So real estate, and we gave you some clues here. And then what are your total current assets? And then what are your liabilities? Who do you owe? How much do you owe on this, that, or the other thing? And then you'll come up with a figure for your net worth. Does that make sense? You probably, how many people have ever borrowed money? From a bank, I should say, from a bank. So you've probably been through an exercise like this, yes? So all we're doing is just doing that again. Since you've done it before, it should be easy, yes?